Hello, this is Nick with Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 153 Milk Street, Unit 16 in Westborough, Massachusetts. And this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the second floor. This is a condo complex unit, so it's we're renting out one condo within a condo building. And as soon as you come in through the front, you go up one flight of stairs over to the right, and it's the first door on that immediate floor. And so I'm just going to kind of go around the unit and show you the best idea of the size of this place, a lot of the dimensions and a lot of what it comes with, and hopefully you'll get a pretty good idea from the video and be able to make a determination of to come and see the unit or to apply or anything like that. So this is the living room. You can see nice paint on the walls, white paint, along with vinyl floors, which go throughout the unit, besides in the bathroom, where looks like it's got some tile in the bathroom, but really nice vinyl floors throughout. All the finishes look great, especially in this kitchen. So you have the full set of stainless steel appliances here. You have the stainless steel dishwasher. It looks like a 4-5 top electric stove, LG fridge, stainless steel fridge, and the nice cabinets. So you got this granite style countertop, as well as the cabinets, which are all in really good condition, very nice finishing on those. You have a little bit of a recessed light, stove light above the stove, and everything in there. So you do have everything that you really need in this kitchen. You got the tile backsplash, which just looks really great as well as the nice light fixtures. The bedroom and the living room need lamps, so if you bring a lamp, then you could have that connect to the electricity, and then you have light in these two rooms. There's a mount on the wall over here, as well as an air conditioning vent. Get a little bit of a view of the backyard space over there. And this living room is really easily big enough for a big sectional couch plus a entertainment system. There's the mount already for the TV. It just looks really great in there. Let's take a look at the rest of the apartment. So this is the entrance way. As soon as you come in through the front, you would have this nice big coat closet over there. Lots of storage with that closet, opportunities for storage. Here's the breaker box, just in case you need to flip a breaker. And here's the bathroom. So the bathroom has some nice kind of like regal finishes. You have the vanity mirror with the gold trim, and the double soaps over there. It looks like a little place for toothbrushes as well. Towel rack. So everything looks really great inside of this bathroom. The finish of the tub looks great. Same thing with the shower. So not much to miss in here. As well as, and you do have the baseboard, baseboards for the heating. All of them individually adjustable. When you get into the rooms, as you can see right there, there's the thermostat for this one, and then the thermostat for the living room is over there. But this is the bedroom. So the bedroom's easily big enough for a big queen size bed plus a desk slash dresser setup. It does look really nice in here. You still have light coming in, but it's another room where you would have a room lamp, standing lamp. It's a cloudy day today, so on a sunny day, you might not even really need the lamp during the day. That's a small walk-in closet, because you can walk into it, and it has the tool racks right there. And if you wanted to get any more information about this or see any of the apartments that we have available, you can go to nexuswor.com/for-rent or /vacancies, I believe the URL. But you go to the for rent page on that website, and that'll have all of them, including this one here, so you can reach out to a leasing agent. And once again, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester at 153 Milk Street, apartment 16.